Hi friend, we are using CAT6 cable and feel straight the all color coding cables like the CAT6 cable having 6 color for CCTV connections, and for this we need to clamp the wire now. Like this we need to do all codings: light orange, light green, blue, light blue, green, and then light brown. Last one is brown. Like this we need to connect connectors. Full straighten the connectors. It is a very important. Clamp the wire using the clamper by pressing tightly. Then it is clamp is okay. Now tester I will connect it to two cables. Now it is checking connectivity. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It is connectivity okay. You can connect with anywhere as well as camera. Now it is viewing camera properly after this connectivity. See how it is coming. Thank you for watching this video.